Anyways, I'm so tired. I almost missed Jackson's bus. I was like running. But anyways, I have to clean up today, so I figured I would do a clean with me video. So out of breath. My husband said he was gonna come home in time to take Jackson to the bus stop. But then when I heard the bus, because the bus sit over by my window so I can see the bus, and then when I heard it pull off, I was like, oh crap, he's not gonna be here in time to take Gia to the bus. So I like put his coat, grab his backpack, and haul ass to the bus, which come around and sit on the side and wait for us. He said 12:13 he'll give us time to get there, and then 2 minutes after he leaves, because that's 12:15 is when the bus is supposed to be there, and then take off. Anyways, enough of me rambling. So I'm gonna clean the house. I'm gonna show you guys how dirty it is first, and then show you me cleaning it up. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I'm gonna do it. So come with me while I clean my dirty, messy house. Okay guys, so this is the living room. It's a bit messy, to say the least. This basket of clothes needs to be put away. Maddie's stroller needs to be taken out of the middle of the living room. This dog, I don't know. My gym shoes from when I work out yesterday needs to be put away. Maddie's stuff fell off the couch. One of my kids drank a bottle of water and left it there. There's books, walnuts, my purse. All of that stuff needs to be put away. And the office, take some of the Christmas decorations down a little at a time, put away that thing over there, and vacuum. So come with me. This is what it all looks like. And then over here at the doorway, I need to straighten that up. Take some of these Christmas stuff down, decluttered that area. I don't even think I'm gonna get to it. And put that water away. Laundry, story of my life. Pots needs to go back in the oven because I made baked chicken yesterday, so it needs to go back in the oven. All these pots. I have a small kitchen and a lot of stuff. Clean off this table. Put Jackson winter clothes away because I took it down to get shirt out of there for school today. The dog area, the cat area, laundry, my husband's lunch thing. This breakfast bar needs to be cleaned off. And I think that's all I'm gonna attempt to do. I'm not gonna show you my room.